Circular motion. What is it? By Brendan
and Matt.
Circular motion is the movement of an object along a circumference or circle.
Like straight motion, circular motion has several similar equations and variables, as well as some of its own.
Let's learn! Today we will use this little Maltese dog to find many of these variables. The first we will find is omega.
Omega is used to represent angular speed, or the rate at which something moves around a circle.
We require several variables to find omega and the others. These include mass, radius, and arc length. Arc length, measured in radians, is the distance traveled around the circle by the dog. 2 pi is equal to 1 full rotation.
The equation for omega is arc length over time. This gives us an angular speed of approximately 2.22 radians per second.
The next variable we will find is tangential velocity, or Vt.
If the dog were to stop moving in a circle and continue moving in a straight line, as shown, the speed it moved in that line would be its tangential velocity.
The equation for tangential velocity is radius times omega. This gives us a velocity of 1.66
meters per second.
Now we will find the dog's centripetal acceleration, or acceleration around the circle. While the dog's speed may be constant, it is still changing direction, and as direction is a part of velocity, the dog maintains acceleration.
The equation for centripetal acceleration is tangential velocity squared over the radius.
This gives us a centripetal acceleration of 3.67 meters per second squared.
The final variable we will find is centripetal force. Centripetal force is the force towards the center of the circle that keeps the dog moving around the circle.
Centripetal force, or Fc, is equal to mass times radius times omega squared. In this case, we end up with a centripetal force of 8.13 newtons towards the center of the circle.